how to recover a deleted design from Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can recover a deleted design from trash in Canva. So in order to demonstrate, the first thing that I'm going to do is delete any design, and then we will attempt to restore that particular design. So as here you can see, currently I am in Canva for desktop, and here are some of the recent designs that I've made. So for example, let's say I want to delete this particular design right here. So in order to delete any design, simply move your cursor towards that particular design, and then you need to click onto these three dots that appear onto the top right corner of that particular design. Once you will do this, you can see this option that says move to trash. So simply click onto this move to trash button, using which this particular design will be moved to trash and it will be deleted. So now let me show you how you can restore that. So in order to restore a deleted design from the trash, you need to click onto this trash option present at the very bottom of this particular slide. So once you will click onto this trash button, you can see that we have landed into the trash where all of the deleted designs will be available for 30 days. After 30 days, they will be permanently deleted, and unfortunately there will be no way to recover that. So since currently we have just deleted this design and we want to recover it, so what we can do is simply again hover our cursor to this design, and then when these three dots appear, you need to click here and choose this first option that says restore. So simply click onto this restore button, and here you can see this says move to your projects. So if you will again go to the projects from here, you can see that the design will be present there, and here you can see under the recent design, the design is now again present. So that's how easily you can restore any deleted design in the Canva application. So that was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such helpful and exciting video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.